The residents of Ganaja, a town in Kogi State's capital city of Lokoja, and its environs have expressed relief and excitement at the pace and quality of the Ganaja Junction Flyover construction, a project undertaken by the administration of Governor Yahaya Bello to solve the persistent and perennial problem of insistent gridlocks and car crashes in the area. Bloomshire Nigeria crew on Sunday visited the project site and discovered that the flyover will span 7.5 meters in width and 500 meters length, with slip roads on both sides to carry the flow of traffic from the eastern part of the country and other connecting roads, hence decongesting the area and providing safe options for motorists.
We thank Kogi State Governor for the whole state, all the work in the state. They see, not that nobody will no see, and especially this roundabout in Ganaja Junction, double safe for drivers, double safe for passengers. Nothing like hold up to hold us at that junction. Going to Igbo land, going to Yoruba land, all is confirmed. So really appreciate him for the job well done, for the overhead in Ganaja Junction.
To accommodate heavy-duty trucks plying the area to conduct businesses with factories such as Dangote and the BUA Cement, the flyover is constructed with a special focus on strength superior to other similar projects in the country. When completed, it is expected to integrate Kogi State with other states, particularly in the southern eastern region, given its strategic location. This would facilitate smoother conduct of trade and boost transport services in Kogi State.
Economic activity of this road. This is the popular Ganaja Junction. Every morning and evening, there is gridlock here. And it's depending on maintenance of road users, repairs, and time. So by the time this flyover project is in place, the gridlock that Ganaja Junction is known with will be eliminated. Then time will not be wasted. Maintenance of vehicle will reduce. It will boost the economy of road users. Then, as you can see, business are springing up around the place. If you are here in the night, it's like it's turning to an attack now. People are here 24 hours doing one business or the other. You know that road, it leads to the eastern part of the country. The east and south, they pass through this place.
The project also features an underground drainage with a retaining wall to retain the embankment of the soil and backfills. This is in addition to reinforcement details around the flyover to give it the needed durability and span to prevent vibration. Bloomshire crew noted that the present precast elements and beams that will run over the piers for the flyover are almost ready, and a pile of load test was conducted on the spot to determine the strength of the piles to excellent results, surpassing even the recommended standards.
The pre-stressed beam, the one that are going to launch on the pier cap on the site there. We use crane, 2 cranes to launch it up. See this exposed reinforcement is going to lock with the reinforcement of the slab are going to do on site so that they are not isolated. This, we have 11 number per span. We have 6 span. The total number we are looking at is 66 numbers. Before this thing is launched from here, we'll tension it. We'll subject it to a load. And by tensioning, it will be curved. It's not going to be flat as you are seeing it again. When you launch it, the bridge is like this. It's not flat. By the time load is coming on it, it will be coming down until we get a flat carriageway. If it is flat like this and is not subjected to load, when the vehicle is using it, it to be deflecting. To take care of future deflection, we tensed it. Crush it, there's a machine we use to crush it, and there is a design compressive stress allowable that will get anyone that is not up to, that structural element will be rejected. We'll either call for demolition and rebuild. But so far, all our tests met the standard strength for this job.
The Yahaya Bello administration has completed procurement of 460 units of street lights to fully light up the project upon completion, as well as all the township roads under construction. Residents who spoke to Bloomshire commended Governor Yahaya Bello for redeeming his promise by constructing the flyover, thus solving a problem that has long prevented the town and its environs from fully leveraging its geographical and market advantage.
I appreciate the governor concerning the project. I'm at Ganaja Junction right now. I can see the handwork of the Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello concerning the flyover bridge. The bridge is going on and the work is going on successfully. And I like the work, the way it's going. Ganaja Junction will be fine and everywhere will be okay.
They also noted the impressive pace of the project, which began in January and is on course for the slated completion date in December.
See, this is the precast site for the Ganaja Flyover project, and by God's grace, we are hoping that by December, this project should be completed. This is the precast site where you have most of the structural elements precast, then later moved to site for installation. And by the special grace of God, we have all the precast beam, 65 in numbers, precast already. Very few undergoing curing now, after which will be moved to site for installation. Then from there, other embankment processes will take place.
The project management, led by the project manager Wang Kwain and resident engineer Akubo Hassan, both explained the details of the project to Bloomshire.
So now I'm working for this flyover project at Lokoja and Ganaja Junction. So the end of this month, September end, the pure gap and abutment material will be complete. And this project we have 6-piece precast beam. When October 15 October, 16 6-piece precast beam will be complete. So maybe November, end of November, in the November we will be beginning the installation of the precast beam.
The crew also visited the precastment site of Governor Yahaya Bello's legacy project for inspection of materials.